A while ago I bought myself a D3 looper pedal of the company Xvive. But unfortunately I've had two problems with it when I tried to use it to do some guitar looping. Problem number one is that the sound changes when I arm the pedal for recording. Problem number two is that the recording, which is played back by the pedal, is missing chunks of audio. In this video I want to illustrate these two problems. The issues I had with this pedal are kind of hard to demonstrate, so I had to use a specific test setup. Let me show you what I was working with. I had my guitar hooked up to the input of the D3 looper. The output of the looper was connected to my Focusrite Scarlett audio interface. I used my computer and Ableton Live to visualize the output of the D3 looper. The output of the audio interface was connected to my guitar amp. And finally I used my phone's camera to film the computer screen and the looper pedal. With this setup, the signal which comes out of the D3 pedal is captured and saved as an audio file in Ableton Live. Also, you can see a waveform on the screen. Now let's look at the first problem. Hear what happens when I arm the pedal for recording. Did you notice a subtle change in the sound when I hit the foot switch? Let's listen to the recording which was captured by my audio interface. I can't quite point out what it is, but the audio signal sounds different to my ears after I hit the foot switch. And you can definitely hear a short interruption. You can also see this interruption when you zoom in on the waveform. The problem became a lot worse when I connected the pedal to another speaker I had lying around. While the signal is clear in the beginning, it becomes distorted when I hit the foot switch. As the D3 looper is advertised as a true bypass pedal, I would assume that stuff like this would not happen. But wait, am I being overly critical? If this was the only issue with the D3 Duet Looper pedal by Xvive, I would call this product not great but still usable. But the second issue concerns the core functionality of a looper pedal: recording and playing back audio in a reliable manner. Let's go back to the test bench to look at the second problem. The pedal is now armed for recording. Let's record into loop A. The pedal is now recording. On the next press, the pedal will record into loop B. The pedal is now recording loop B. As you can see, a clear and uninterrupted signal is coming out of the D3 looper pedal. Let's listen for a bit. With the next press on the foot switch, the pedal will go into playback mode and we will hear our recording. I stopped playing my guitar. We are now only hearing the recording. And there we have it. Some parts of the signal which just went into the pedal are now missing. This issue was extremely hard to get on camera, as it only happens in about 1 out of 20 times. But if you use this pedal to perform some songs for an audience, the probability that it will happen sooner or later is high. made this video because I'm frustrated with this product. It took me quite some time to learn how to use this pedal, to discover the two issues I just showed you, to reproduce these issues, to record them on camera and to make this video. Although the last part was kind of fun, I would have rather spent all of this time to make music. Let's switch back to loop A and hear what's on there. Unfortunately, the result is the same. Feel free to describe your experiences with the D3 Duet Looper pedal down in the comments. Thanks for watching my video, take care and bye bye.